going on, folks? I'm about to show you where you would find your power steering fuel reserve at on a 2016 Chevy Traverse. It's probably the same for multiple different years of Chevy Traverse, probably from about the 14 on up, or possibly even earlier, as well as later. But all you have to do, if you look underneath your hood, you won't see your power steering reserve to where you would put power steering fluid at. You can look around, you'll see oil, you'll see, your windshield wiper feel, you'll see where your brake fluid goes at, and down here, way down here, that's where your actual transmission, where you would check your transmission fluid levels at. Then you come over here, and there's your dipstick for oil. What you have to do to actually get to your power steering fluid, you have to actually remove this whole top piece. First you got to do is go ahead and take off your oil lid right here. Go ahead and take that out where you would put your oil at. Then once you do that, you want to remove this whole, it just pops up, plastic piece. And right up underneath here now, you'll have your power steering fluid. And this is where you would want to go ahead and add more fluid at, just in case your fluid was to get low. Sometimes because when you're turning your steering wheel, you may notice like a noise or something like that when you turn your steering wheel, especially like all the way to extremes, like right and left. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would find where you would put your power steering fluid at on a Chevy Traverse. This is probably the same for multiple different years of Traverses. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos and please subscribe. Thanks.